Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to implement a calculator functionality in Python. So first, we are going to ask user for calculation to be performed, such as add, subtract, multiply, divide. So we will prompt the user for operation and save in a op variable. This will be input. Please enter add or subtract or multiply or divide. And we are going to convert input into lower format. And now we are going to ask for the first number and second number on which we are going to perform one of these operations. So this would be num1 will be set to input. Please enter the first number. And our number 2 input, please enter the second number. Uh, Over here, user need to keep in mind that the order of number matters. And we are just going to skip for the simplicity, the check for that. And we are going to use try and except block for mathematical operations. So we are going to surround it with try. And over here, we are going to convert our numbers into floats. So this will be num1, num2 set to float of num1 and float of num2. And now we are going to perform operation and print result. So first we are going to check operation. If operation is equals to add, the user want to perform add operation, we are going to add those number and save into result variable. Num1 plus num2 and print the result. Plus the sum of these numbers dot format num1, num2 and result. Else if operation is subtract, if you user want to perform the subtract operation, Then we are going to subtract num2 from num1 and save into result variable. Num1 minus num2 and print. I will just use this line and just change the operation over here. This will be subtract sign over here, and then elif operation is multiply, and we are going to multiply those numbers and save in our result variable. And then I just use that copied snippet and change the operation sign over here. This would be multiply sign or multiplication sign, and elif op is divide. We want to perform divide operation, then result will be equal to num1 divided by num2, and just paste that line again and change the operation to subtract. At the end we are going to use else. If none of these operations are selected, then we are just going to print some message here. Sorry, not a correct option. And dot format and pass in operation. Not. And here we are going to print that option value. And here is our except block. Here we are going to print please try again error if user enter improper number. So we are just going to print error, please try again. Need a space here. Please enter the second number. I will just keep it simple, this line over here, and remove this one and paste it over here, just a result. We're just going to print the result of every operation. So I'm just gonna change this line for all the operations, just using f string and printing out the result. And over here, And we can run our code. And here we need to enter the operation we want to perform on those numbers. I will enter add, and we need to enter the first number 4, the second number 6, and the result is 10. And I run it again, and now I will select multiply operation and add our first number and our second number, and here is the result for multiplication. So our calculator works. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.